Here we are again, heading back to Paradise Island for the second time. We heard that they're having fireworks every Friday and Saturday at 9 p.m. So we decided to come on Friday, stay overnight so we could watch the fireworks on Saturday. My family will be joining us later this afternoon, and we booked 1 premium and 2 deluxe rooms for our stay. So come join us on this adventure and let's see the beautiful fireworks here at Paradise Island, Samal. The room we got this time is a little bigger and more spacious with a better location and an upgraded setup compared to the one we stayed in last time. So far, we really liked it. When we arrived, my daughter suggested that she wanted to try a Lima spa for a full body massage. So of course, we decided to give it a try and see how relaxing it would be. Here, eating dinner here at Paradise Islands with the family. Here you go. Got the family here. Asa na si Meron, sister.
You can pass this. See if anyone wants the chicken protein. Rolly will probably want some.
The food is coming. The waiter here.
Rolly, you want some chicken?
Dinner. So we got the chicken, we got the tinolang manok. Yapas. Squid ni. Here honey, squid for you, sweetie.
Squid?
Yeah, little.
Okay. We need
Pancit.
vinegar and vinegar.
Vinegar, o ba din?
Vinegar. Oh, we need more than that.
Okay na na. Napo dito yung tinola. How about lumpia? Napo yung lumpia dito. Na. Ang katong ano ni mama, sabaw ni mama nana. Let's go see. Let's go see the fireworks. Video. Dali, picture ka? Gusto ka video? Mama, dali matanaw tag fireworks. It's my mama. Tanaw fireworks. Okay lang, Matil? Sakit?
Pangi na mo, pagtindog na ko sa'yo. Buklig,
Gipigo ka. Gipigo. Look at that, nice view. Everybody wanted to see the fireworks. Asa na si Mikey? Mikey is getting a chair. Wanna sit here, Han? Yeah. No, I think I'll stand up here because that way I can take a video for everybody. Nade. This is where they're gonna do the fireworks. They're already setting it up. A lot of people in there. Guarantee Paradise Island. Oh, Nadia. I guess. Everybody. Let's watch the fireworks. See the view.
You cannot go with any first one, guys, to start and witness the beautiful fireworks this morning. You from there on
Milk stay good after
everybody, are you ready? Come on.
Asa na? We're waiting for the firework.
I mean, it's funny because I didn't hear any fireworks. I never hear fireworks out here.
Yeah, I think I heard it yesterday. Ay, 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 putra. Oh, my goodness. That scares me. That was a surprise.
Yeah, they don't announce it. They just let it rip.
Wow. Oh, yeah,
Wow.
yeah.
Oh, oh, oh.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, my goodness. That's all. Very nice. Wow.